Hi guys, let's unbox MacBook M3 13-inch. First off, the packaging is sleek, as always with Apple. Minimalistic design with that iconic white box showcasing a stunning image of the MacBook itself. It feels really premium just holding it. Let's carefully slice through this tape here. And there we go. Lifting the lid now. And there it is, the MacBook M3. Wrapped neatly in a protective film. Let's peel off this protective cover. Wow, it looks absolutely stunning. So thin, lightweight, and that premium aluminum finish is just flawless. This is the midnight finish. Apple's craftsmanship never disappoints. It feels incredibly light in the hand, which is one of the key selling points of the Air line. You can really tell this is designed for portability. Beneath the MacBook, we have the usual compartment containing the accessories. We have the matching USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. We also have the standard Apple documentation. And of course, a couple of those iconic Apple stickers. This is the 30 watts USB-C power adapter, which is nice and compact for travel. Pretty minimal, but that's Apple's style. Let's take a closer look at the MacBook Air itself. The hinge feels nice and sturdy. Opening it up now with one finger. Let's peel off this protective cover. And there we have that gorgeous 13.6-inch liquid retina display. The bezels are nice and slim, really focusing your attention on the screen. The Magic Keyboard with a refined scissor mechanism. Typing feels incredibly responsive. And we have the large Force Touch trackpad is silky smooth with precise gestures. And of course, the integrated Touch ID sensor for quick and secure login. Chip and performance. The MacBook M3 is powered by the Apple M3 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU splitting into 4 performance and 4 efficiency cores. Choose between an 8-core or 10-core GPU with hardware-accelerated ray tracing for next-level graphics. It also boasts a 16-core neural engine and 100 GB memory bandwidth for lightning-fast performance. Display. Enjoy a stunning 13.6-inch IPS WQXGA liquid retina display at 224 ppi, 500 nits brightness, and support for 1 billion colors. P3 wide color, and True Tone technology for vivid, true-to-life visuals. Memory and storage. Comes with 8 GB or 16 GB unified memory, configurable up to 24 GB. Storage starts at 256 GB SSD, expandable to 512 GB, 1 TB, or 2 TB. Plenty of room for all your files. Battery life. Get up to 18 hours of Apple TV app movie playback and 15 hours of wireless web usage. Powered by a 52.6 watt-hour lithium polymer battery. It supports fast charging with a 70 watts USB-C power adapter. Ports and connectivity. MagSafe 3 charging port. I'm so glad Apple brought back MagSafe. It's such a convenient and safe way to charge, especially if you're prone to tripping over cables. The braided design feels really durable too. 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports with support for Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, and DisplayPort. 3.5mm headphone jack. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure seamless connectivity. Video and audio. 1080p FaceTime HD camera with advanced image signal processing. 4-speaker sound system with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos. 3-mic array with directional beamforming for crystal clear calls. Keyboard and trackpad. Backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. Force Touch trackpad for precise control and multi-touch gestures. So, that's our initial unboxing of the 13-inch MacBook Air with the M3 chip. My first impressions are really positive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.